We must bridge the gap between farmers and end consumers. By reducing unnecessary costs like brokerage and middlemen, etc., we can increase the profit of the farmers, which indirectly encourages farming and to better the quality of the product. Consumers, on the other hand, will have the freedom to choose from where they buy, know how the product was grown, and have peace of mind while cooking a delicious meal for their loved ones or enjoying a juicy fruit. Our main objective from this project is to increase the profit of farmers by reducing all unnecessary costs between them and consumers, while also encouraging to shift from traditional farming to an open source farming where anyone can view how the crop, fruit or yield was grown, which encourages to not use any pesticides. Now suppose you are a person in a city who wants to buy tomato. Let's look how this system works.
So this is our home page of Farm to You. Now as we scroll down, we can see the list of vegetables and fruits. Suppose one has to buy tomatoes, then he just have to click on the specified button, tomatoes. This will take us to the next page where you can shop as a vendor or shop for home, that is as a direct consumer. Now suppose me as a direct consumer have to buy tomatoes, I can just click on this button, shop for home. Now proceeding to the next page, here we get to choose the store from which the order is to be placed. And one more thing that is to be observed here is the farm's name from which the vendor has bought is also mentioned. Now one can choose any of these stores from which they have to purchase. Since I personally prefer Fresh to Home from Ceci's farm, I'll just click on it, which will direct us to the purchase page. As you can see, the complete details of the product have been listed out, like rating, soil type, fertilizers, and it is also Agro-Pro certified, and the pH range, variety type, growth method, and grade quality. We also have comments by the customers listed below here. So this is how I can purchase the product as a direct consumer. Now, what if some vendor has to purchase the product in bulk? For this, we have to navigate to this page and click on Shop as a Vendor. This will take us to the page where the vendor has to choose the farm from which he has to purchase. Suppose the vendor wants to purchase from Lohit's farm. He can just click on it, which will again direct us to the purchase page. Here you get to know about the farm and the product in detail, based on which the vendor can make the purchase. Now, the overall concept of the app is a consumer get to know the product, the particular farm from which the vegetables were bought by the vendor. And we also get to know about the product's whole life cycle in detail. In this way, we get the assurance of the product quality, leading to elimination of multiple middlemen, thus benefiting both the farmers and consumers by cutting down the unwanted expenses. Thank you.